Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a barbershop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and Clara, the barber at the shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How much does a haircut cost at the barbershop? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hi, look at this place. It looks really nice.
Yes, and look at that sign by the door. It goes round and round.
The red, white, and blue one? I see it too. What is it?
I think it is a barber sign. Old barber shops used it. People saw it from far away.
That is interesting. So this is a barber shop, right?
Yes, a place to get a haircut. Do you want to go in?
Maybe. My hair is getting long. Look, it is over my ears now.
Yes, a little. It is time for a cut.
You are right. At home, I go to a small shop near my house. I know it well.
But this is a trip. Trying a new place is fun, right?
True. A new city, a new shop. Why not? Let us look inside first.
Good idea. Look, there are 2 chairs and a big mirror.
And it looks clean and bright. I like it already.
It is quiet inside, too. I can hear soft music.
Yes, the music is nice. It helps me feel calm.
People say old barbers did many jobs, not only hair.
Really? Like what kind of jobs?
Many small things for the town. The shop was a busy place. People came to talk, too.
That is a nice story. So a barber shop was like a meeting place.
Yes, a place to sit, wait, and talk. I like that idea.
Me too. A haircut and a little talk. That sounds good.
And the sign is easy to see. Red, white, and blue going round.
Yes, you can see it from far away. That was smart long ago.
Very smart. Okay, are you ready to go in?
Almost. I feel a little nervous, but I want to try.
Why nervous? It's only a haircut.
Ha, true. But a new shop, a new person, and new English, that makes me nervous.
You will be fine. I will wait for you. Let's go in.
Okay, here we go. Please come with me.
Of course. After you. Open the door.
Hello, welcome in. Please come this way.
Hi, thank you. I do not have an appointment. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine. We have space now. How can I help you today?
I would like a haircut, please. How long do I need to wait?
Not long, about 10 minutes. Is that okay for you?
10 minutes is fine. Thank you. Can I ask the price first?
Of course. A haircut is $20. That is a good question to ask early.
$20. Okay, that is fine for me.
We also have a haircut with a shave. That one is $30.
Oh, just the haircut today, please, not the shave.
No problem. Only the haircut. Please write your name here for me.
Sure, here you are. Is my writing okay?
Yes, very clear. Thank you. Please take a seat and wait a moment.
Thank you. My friend is with me. Can she wait here too?
Yes, of course. There's a chair for her right there.
Great, thank you. It is warm and nice in here.
Thank you. We try to make it a good place to sit.
It looks very nice. I like the plants by the window, too.
Thank you. We water them every morning. They make the room feel nice.
They do. Do I pay now or later?
You pay later, after the haircut. Do not worry about it now.
Okay, later. Good. And where can I put my bag?
You can put it under the chair, or I can keep it for you.
I will keep it with me, thank you. It is not heavy.
That is fine. Would you like some water while you wait?
Yes, please. Water sounds good. Thank you so much.
Hot or cold water? We have both today.
Cold water, please. It is warm outside.
Here you are. I will call you very soon.
Thank you. Oh, this water is nice and cold.
Good. Please tell me if you need anything more.
I will, thank you. I will wait right here with my friend.
Okay, you are next. Please sit in this chair. Are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you. This chair is nice and soft.
Good. So, what would you like today? Tell me about your hair.
I wanted shorter, but please do not cut it too short.
Okay, shorter but not too short. How about the sides?
The sides can be short, but please keep it longer on top.
I see. Short on the sides, longer on top. That is a popular style.
Yes, that is the one. Many people ask for it, right?
Very true. People all over the world like this style. It is easy to keep clean.
Oh, that is good to know. Why is it easy?
Short sides dry fast after a shower, so you save time in the morning.
Good point. Let me show you a photo on my phone.
Yes, please. A photo helps me a lot.
Here, something like this. Do you see the top part?
Yes, I see it. Nice and clean. I can do this for you.
Great. And can you show me how short with your fingers?
Of course. About this much on the sides. Is that okay?
A little longer, please. I do not want it too short.
No problem. This much then. Better?
Yes, that is better. Thank you for asking me.
I always ask. It's your hair, so your choice is first.
That is kind. At home, some shops ask a lot too.
Good shops always ask. And how about the back of your neck?
The back can be short and clean, please. That feels nice in summer.
I agree. Short in the back is good for warm days.
Yes. Oh, and please be careful near my ears.
Do not worry. I will go slow near your ears. I will be very careful.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Now, please look straight ahead and relax. Should I take your glasses?
Yes, please. I cannot see well without them.
I will put them here, safe on the table. I will show you the mirror at the end.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is barbershop, meaning a shop where you get a haircut. For example, we found a nice barbershop in the city. The second word is haircut, meaning when someone cuts your hair. For example, I want a haircut today. The third word is shave, meaning to cut the hair on your face. For example, he wants a shave and a haircut. The fourth word is mirror, meaning glass where you can see yourself. For example, I look at my hair in the mirror. The fifth word is style, meaning a way to cut or wear your hair. For example, short on top is a popular style. Great work. That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the barber shop.
Hi, how is it going? You look good in that chair.
Hi, it is going well. She is very careful. I like it.
That is great. Your hair looks shorter already.
Yes, a lot is on the floor now. I feel lighter.
It looks nice. So, where do we go next after this?
Maybe we can find some food. I am getting hungry.
Me too. Let us find a small place near here, something local.
Good idea. I want to try the food of this city.
Same here. Oh, your new haircut will look great in the photos.
I hope so. You know, at home, I like one thing after a haircut.
Oh, what is that? Tell me.
In some shops, they rub your neck and shoulders at the end. It feels so good.
Really? A little neck rub after the cut. That sounds wonderful.
Yes, you feel so relaxed. Maybe it is not the same here.
Every place is a little different. That is why travel is fun.
True. Small things change from place to place. I like learning them.
Me too. Every shop, every city has its own way.
Yes, and now I have a story to tell. A haircut on our trip.
A good story. We should take a photo when you are done.
Yes, please. Before and after.
We should, but it's too late for the before photo. Your hair is already short.
Oh no, you're right. Next time then.
Next time. Are you warm enough in there?
Yes, very warm. The room is nice and quiet.
Good. I am reading a magazine while I wait. It's about this city.
Oh, nice. Any good places for food in there?
Yes, a few small shops near the river. We can walk there.
Perfect. Let us go after this. I want to see the river too.
Me too. Okay, I will sit and wait. You look happy there.
I am happy. This is a nice part of the day.
I agree. A calm, easy afternoon. I like it a lot.
Okay, all done. Let me show you the back. Here's a mirror.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Yes, that looks really nice.
I'm glad you like it. Is it short enough for you?
Yes, it is just right. Not too short, like I asked.
Good. And the top, is that okay for you?
Yes, the top is great. You listened to me well. Thank you.
You are welcome. Let me clean your neck a little. One moment.
Sure, thank you. Oh, that feels nice and clean.
All done now. Here are your glasses back.
Thank you. Now I can see. And wow, I really like it.
I am happy to hear that. So that will be $20.
Here you are, $20. And should I add a little more?
A small tip is kind, but it is your choice. Many people add some.
Okay, here is $25. Please keep it all.
Thank you so much. That is very kind of you.
You did a great job. I'm happy I came in.
That makes me happy too. Where are you two from?
We are on a trip. We came from far away for a few days.
How nice. I hope you have a wonderful time in our city.
Thank you. So far we love it. The people are very kind.
I'm glad. Do you have plans for tonight?
We want to find some food near the river. My friend read about it.
Oh, the river is lovely at night. The lights are very pretty.
That sounds great. We will go there after this.
There's a small bridge too. Many people take photos there.
Oh, we love photos. We will look for that bridge.
Please do. And come again if you are here another day.
I will try. Maybe next time I will get the shave too.
Yes, please do. It is very relaxing.
I believe you. Thank you again for everything.
You are very welcome. Take care and enjoy your evening.
You too. Bye for now.
Wow, look at you. Your hair looks so good.
Thank you. Do you really think so?
Yes, it looks good on you. You look fresh and clean. I love it.
I feel great. So light and clean now.
The wind must feel nice now.
It does. A haircut on a trip. I will remember this shop.
Me too. And the lady was so kind and careful.
Yes, she really listened to me. That is not always easy.
True.
Good listening is not easy. She is good at it.
I agree. I'm happy I went in. I was a little nervous before.
I know, but you did great. Your English was clear, too.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. I am still learning.
You are learning fast. Every shop is a new lesson, right?
Yes, today's lesson was a haircut in English.
A useful lesson, too. Look at your hair in the window.
Oh, you were right. It looks clean and nice. I can see it well.
The sides are short and the top is nice, just like your photo.
Yes, just like the photo. She did a great job.
She did. Now, are you still hungry?
Very hungry. Let us find that food place by the river.
Yes, something warm and local. I'm ready to eat.
Mine too. The river is not far, right?
No, just a short walk. We can see the water on the way.
Perfect. And after food, we can go back and rest.
A good plan. Food first, then home to relax.
I like this trip so much. Small, easy days are the best.
I feel the same. A haircut, some food, and time together.
Let me take one photo of you here first.
Okay, but only if I can take a photo of your new haircut.
Deal. You first. Stand by the barber sign, please.
Like this? Okay, ready. Now your turn.
My turn. How do I look?
Wonderful. New hair, big smile. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. This was a great afternoon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How much does a haircut cost at the barber shop? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.